What if you could trade natural gas directly on SuperEx? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the SuperEx app and go to the Futures section. Next, in the search bar, type NATGASUSDT. This is the natural gas contract that tracks real-world energy prices. Step 3. Fund your futures account. You can transfer USDT or deposit directly. Now, choose your trade. If you think natural gas price will go up, tap buy or long. If you think it will go down, tap sell or short. Step 5. Set your leverage. SuperEx allows high leverage, but don't get reckless. Higher leverage means higher risk. Then choose your margin mode. Isolated keeps your risk limited to one trade. Cross uses your full balance, more flexibility, but more danger. Step 7. Set your order. You can use a market order to enter instantly, or a limit order to control your entry price. Before you confirm, set your stop loss and take profit. This is what separates traders from gamblers. That's it. You're now trading natural gas on SuperEx. Stay sharp because in energy markets, volatility moves fast.